your extension on any device. The Communi5 UCaaS Cloud PBX allows you to have your extension on multiple devices. Let me guide you through this scenario. On the left side, you see my IP phone that I'm using in my office scenario. In this case, I have a Yearling T49G, but all other devices on our supported devices list can be used as well. In the middle, you see my desktop control client on my Windows laptop. Of course, this client is available for macOS and Linux as well. On the right side, you see my mobile control app on my iPhone, also available on Android devices. My phone number is shared on these devices. So this means inbound calls will be delivered simultaneously to all my active clients, as well as when I do an outbound call, my identity will be shared. Let me show you. On an incoming call, all my devices will ring. The Yearling physical phone, the desktop control client presenting a toast so that I can directly answer the call from this pop-up, and on the right side from my iPhone. Let me answer here on the physical phone. As you can see, all the others stop ringing, but the present status here will show that I'm in a call. When I hang up, of course, the present status is synced again to the clients and I become available again. If I'm not in the office and I do not want my office phone to ring, for instance, in this case, the Yearling, I can activate the Do Not Disturb on client basis here, which excludes this device from incoming calls. When I do the calls again, you see only the desktop control and the mobile control is ringing, not the device in the office.